Hey, what's up guys? JP here with J.P.BBQ. Welcome back to my channel. Appreciate you guys tuning in. Today's a very special day, and as you can notice, I got my truck parked over there on the grass, and the reason for that is because today I got a special delivery coming all the way from big old state. I'm not gonna say which state it is because I think I'll be giving it away, but it's a surprise. Can't wait till it gets here. You guys stay tuned, and I'll show you what it is just a little bit. Alright, here we go guys. Package just got here. You can see the truck right over there, and the boys are gonna be unloading it. Takes two of them to bring it down, just to let you know how big it is. But we'll see how it goes. I'm excited. Woo, can't wait to see it. Wow, that thing is huge. Alright, no more sneak peek guys. Well, here it is guys. Got my delivery of my package here. Is crated up very nice, you know, with no problem. You know, the only problem was and not really a problem. I think maybe the boys that were in charge of the truck and the shipping delivery, they did the best they could, but maybe they lacked a little bit more experience, or maybe they just put the crate on not big enough of a truck, but they were a little bit nervous, you know, taking it off the bed of the truck. But regardless, they did a great job getting it unloaded nice and safe. I have it here. I'm not gonna tell you what it is. I want you guys to start guessing. If you can guess what I got here crated up, you know, then maybe I'll have a surprise for you. But besides that, we're out. I'm excited. I can't wait to get this thing uncrated, start using it. But let me know what y'all think. Put it down in the comments below. If you can guess what it is, then, you know, maybe I'll have something for you. But besides that, guys, I appreciate you guys very much. Do me a favor, hit that subscribe button over there. Give it a thumbs up. Share it with your family and your friends, of course. And I will see you guys on the next cookout. This ain't a cookout. This is just a, you know, surprise arrival of my new package. I'm excited. I'm happy. I'm like a, you know, kid that just got, you know, something. Yeah, I don't know how to describe this feeling, but I'm very happy. Again, guys, hit that subscribe button over there. Give it a thumbs up. Share it with your friends and family, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care.